Greetings, my savvy financial explorers. Franklin Green here, your trusted partner on the path to prosperity. Welcome back to the Money Frog. Today we're tackling a question that so many aspiring investors ask. Is it possible to start investing with only $100? Let me assure you, the answer is a resounding yes. Not only is it possible, but starting small is one of the smartest moves you can make. In this video, I'll show you how that humble $100 can be the first step toward building wealth, growing your financial confidence, and achieving long-term success. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking for fresh strategies, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know. Let's leap into it. Why starting small can lead to big results. You might wonder, what difference can $100 make? The truth is, every great journey starts with a single step. Starting with a small amount isn't just about the money, it's about the mindset and habits you develop along the way. The habit of investing. Starting with $100 teaches you the discipline of setting money aside for growth. It's not about how much you invest initially, it's about creating a routine. Just like exercising or eating healthy, consistency is the key to success. For example, imagine setting aside $25 each month after your initial $100 investment. By the end of a year, you've invested $400. With compound interest, this amount can grow exponentially over time. Learning without fear. Investing can feel intimidating, especially if you're worried about losing money. Starting small reduces the pressure. It's a safe way to learn the ropes, understand market fluctuations, and build confidence without risking a significant portion of your savings. The power of compound growth. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Here's an example. If you invest $100 with an 8% annual return and add $25 monthly, you'll have nearly $5,000 after 10 years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Step 1. Finding the right investment platform. Choosing the right platform is the foundation of your investment journey. With $100, you'll want to maximize your returns by minimizing fees and ensuring accessibility. What makes a platform beginner-friendly? Low fees. Look for platforms with no account minimums and low or zero commission fees. Every dollar counts, especially when you're starting small. User experience. Opt for platforms that are easy to navigate and offer tutorials or educational resources. Variety of options. Ensure the platform supports ETFs, stocks, and fractional shares to give you flexibility. Top platforms to consider. Robinhood Commerce. Known for its no-fee trading and user-friendly app, it's perfect for beginners. Ema1 Finance allows you to create custom portfolios and invest in fractional shares. Acorns. Ideal for those who want to invest spare change automatically. Betterment. A robo-advisor that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. By choosing the right platform, you're setting the stage for a seamless and enjoyable investing experience. Step 2. Deciding where to invest your $100. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is deciding how to allocate your $100. Your decision will depend on your risk tolerance, goals, and interest in learning about different assets. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are a fantastic choice for beginners. They provide diversification by pooling investments into a fund that tracks an index, sector, or commodity. For instance, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF allows you to invest in the top 500 companies in the US with just a small amount. Fractional shares. Fractional shares let you own a piece of high-value stocks. Love a tech giant like Apple or Amazon but can't afford a full share? With $100, you can invest in a fraction of these companies and still benefit from their growth. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Want to explore real estate without buying property? REITs allow you to invest in income-generating real estate projects. They're an excellent option for steady returns. Cryptocurrency. If you're intrigued by the world of digital assets, consider starting with Bitcoin or Ethereum. While volatile, these can be a small part of your diversified portfolio. Diversification is key. Even with $100, spreading your investments across different asset types can reduce risk and increase potential returns. Step 3. Building a habit of investing. Starting with $100 is just the beginning. To truly grow your wealth, you need to make investing a consistent habit. Automate your contributions, set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment platform. Even small amounts, like $20 monthly, add up over time. Automation ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend instead of save. Reinvest your earnings. If your investments pay dividends, reinvest them. For example, if your $100 grows to $110 and earns a $5 dividend, reinvest that $5. This practice accelerates growth through compounding. Stay committed. Markets fluctuate, and it's natural to feel anxious during downturns. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your plan and keep contributing regularly, regardless of market conditions. Step 4, educate yourself and adjust your strategy. Knowledge is power. The more you understand investing, the better decisions you'll make. Dedicate time to reading books, following reputable financial blogs, and watching videos like this one. Some excellent beginner-friendly resources include books: The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Websites: Investopedia offers comprehensive guides on various investment topics. Monitor and adjust set aside time each quarter to review your portfolio. Are your investments aligned with your goals? Do you need to rebalance? Regular check-ins ensure you stay on track. Set goals for growth. Start with $100, but don't stop there. Set incremental goals like reaching $500, $1,000, or more. Celebrate each milestone and challenge yourself to increase contributions as your income grows. Before wrapping up, here are Franklin's golden tips to jumpstart your investing journey. Start small, dream big. Your first $100 is just the beginning of a larger financial adventure. Automate and forget. Let automation make investing effortless. Diversify early. Even with $100, you can reduce risk through ETFs and fractional shares. Stay educated. Knowledge builds confidence and success. Be patient. Wealth grows over years, not days. And that's it, my friends. Starting your investment journey with $100 might seem small, but it's the foundation for incredible financial growth. Remember, it's not about how much you begin with, but about taking that first step and staying consistent. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Money Frog, and ring the notification bell for more financial wisdom. Share your first investment story in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're starting your journey. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep hopping toward financial success.